it's Marie Antoinette with Posh Paper Perfection, and I have 3 unveilings. Make sure you like, subscribe to my channel so you can see the other 2 unveilings. This one will be the first unveiling. Why I have my clovers there on the screen for this entire video, I just totally forgot to take it off, but those clovers I actually designed. So I'm going to go ahead and share the very first one. I hope you guys enjoy it. I recently went to Etsy to look for a bead board, and I was having a really hard time with prices, guys. Okay, it varies. There was a board there for $167. I just couldn't get myself to get it. So anyway, when I was doing my extensive research on Etsy, I found this one. This is the Bead Board Bags Jewels by Carol Gutterman, and you can check her out on her website, which is beadsboardsbagsjewels.etsy.com. And I bought this bead board from her, so I'm really excited. Beautiful package representation. Everything was beautifully packaged. It was in a hard cardboard box, tissue paper. Yeah, I was really very pleasantly surprised with the amount of care that she put into wrapping this special bead board. Now, she makes her own bead boards. This is made from scratch. This is not a commercially made board that you would get like in China or something like that. One of the things that drew me to purchasing this bead board was that it was oval and it had the round divots in there for your beads. They're nice and shallow. They have this nice foam that your beads won't go bouncing around. I also like that it's not deep, so you don't have to go digging, and to pick up your beads, it is super easy. The bead board measures 11 by 9. Again, it's oval, very nice. I wish they had a bigger version of it. I can rest my wrist without feeling like they're too crunched up. But you know, I do like that it's small because I'll end up taking it traveling, and I can set it on my lap and be able to create anything that I want. So I am demonstrating the beads on there, and you can see how the beads, I'm moving around the beads and they're not jumping everywhere, which is really cool. And then to pick up the beads, look how simple that is, to just pick up the beads and put them in there. I was using the Beadalon bracelet flock board, and then also their necklace board, and oh my gosh, my beads jumped everywhere. Half the time I spend my Sundays on the floor with my magnifying glasses trying to find all the beads that just popped up. But so far I haven't had any pop up. It has 7 dividers here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And the back of it, you can see that it is some sort of felt that's on the back. Now, it is solid. My guess that it's some sort of plywood that is the foundation of this bead board. It does not feel like cardboard, which is so reassuring. And it doesn't really slide around much. If you have a problem with it sliding around, you can always take a beading mat and put it underneath of it, like I did. And as you can see, I have my wrist on it, and it feels really nice. Yeah, so I'm really excited to be using this. Make sure you check out Carol's Etsy shop. I'll have it in the description. and tell her that Marie Antoinette from Posh Paper Perfection sent you. I don't have a coupon code. I don't get endorsed. I'm just really excited about this purchase. The cost was $95, but it is so worth it because it is handmade with love. If you love this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you can see my other unveilings. Thanks so much for watching, guys. See you later.